You want to find an uphill chiropractor. You've always been interested in the alternative healing that they are offering. Considering how your current conditions may seem to be related to the musculoskeletal system, you have decided that they may be the right people for you to refer to. Of course, you have to make sure about finding the right ones this time. It is necessary for you to find somebody who happens to have established a really good reputation. You would prefer if this is one provider who has been around for a long time and that people have been saying a lot of good stuff about them too. This is essential so you can trust that referring to these professionals would be really worth your time. A good professional is one who will ensure first that he checks your full medical records and history before he decides on a treatment. He does not rely on second guessing in determining your condition or what health situation you may currently be in. Rather, he bases his decisions on facts. Thus, he gets to come up with the right diagnosis and the proper solution to your problem as well. Avoid those professionals who happen to spend a lot of time putting up adverts. There is often something fishy about these kinds of professionals, especially when the field that they belong to can raise the right attention with word of mouth and referrals. When they spend way too much money on ads, they may be aiming to get more money from their patients too. Avoid those people who tend to give you warnings about how you should avoid seeing a medical practitioner. There are those who will tell you that you are not going to be healed completely if you will deviate from the treatment methods that they are proposing. The right professionals recognize the crucial role of a medical practitioner towards your healing. You need to find a provider who will keep you in the know about the services that he is offering. This is a professional who will inform you of the things that you have to go through and the procedures that you are likely to undergo if you decide to pursue his assistance. He will also make sure that you are being given due details on what are the pros and the cons of all these options that you currently have. Avoid somebody who is way too keen to get you into a long-term contract with him. The right providers will only ask you to commit for a specific number of sessions, but never for a long-term care. They do not trap you into being with them for a long time. So try to check what it is that these providers can offer you as far as these agreements are concerned. Find an uphill chiropractor who ensures that your expectations are properly set early on. He sees to it that you know exactly what you are getting into. He does not only explain the procedures to you, he makes sure too that you know the cost, the kind of treatments that you are getting, what effects you might encounter, and how long the treatment is going to last.